everyone, today my video is based on summarize access list. The question here asks me to find a single statement that will summarize all these networks, that is 16, 17, 18 and 19. Now how do I summarize it into one single statement? Very simple. I need a binary mat table. This is the standard binary mat table, and below this is a XOR truth table. These are two very important characteristics. However, you can memorize the XOR table if you keep practicing. It does not require much effort though. Okay, since here my network numbers are 16, 17, 18 and 19, so I got to mark the 16, 17, 18 and 19 in my uh, binary mat table. How am I going to do it? 16. Okay, 16 is yours, so I'm going to put a 1 wherever I find 16. Similarly, for 17, I'm going to put a 1 under 16 and a 1 under 1, so that sums up to 17. For 18, I'm going to put a 1 under the 16 and a 1 under the 2. That's 18. For a 19 network, I'm going to put 1 under 16, 1 under 2, and 1 under 1. So that sums up to 19. I hope you get this logic. And here's my results and output. Yep. As I said, for 16, I put a 1 under 16, and all the rest octets are all 0. For 17, I put 1 under 16 and 1 under 1, so that adds up to 17. For 18, I put 1 under 16 and 1 under 2. For 19, I put a 1 under 16, 1 under 2, and 1 under 1. Then, now according to my XOR truth table, where A is 0 and B is 0, the resultant output is 0. When A is 0 or 1, or B is 1 or 0, the resultant output is 1. Similarly, if A is 1 and B is 1, then the output is 0. From this binary truth table, they are all 0, 0, so the resultant output will be 0 as mentioned in the XOR truth table. Similarly, for these second last two octets, I get 2 zeros, and for the ones also I get 0, 0, except these last two. These last two statements state that I got as a combination of zeros and ones, here again a 0 and 1, so I get a sum of 1. Yep. Now I add this 2 and 1 from my binary mat table and I get 3. So 3 is my wildcard mask for all these 4 networks, and here is my answer. Yeah. 172.29.16.0, 0.0.3.2555. Let me tell you, 16 is the least integer value for these networks. As we see, it starts from 16 to 17, 18, 19, so we're going to put 16 here in the access list statements. We cannot put 17 because it will ignore 16 then. Okay, so and 3 implies the wildcard entry, and the first two is the 0.0 is simply that it tells the access list to check these two network numbers, that is 172.29, and a dot 3 is definitely the wildcard mask, which will monitor networks from 16 to 19. So 16 plus 3 is 16 plus 3 is 19. Yeah, and 2555 is I don't care bit, so it can be whatever IP address, but this second last octet is very important, that is 16 over here and 3 over here. So I hope you understood this, and wish to upload more videos like this. I just try to hurry this video up, and wish you all the best for CCN exams.